Hello, today I'm going to show you the solution to the animal puzzle, which is part of Escape Game 50 Rooms number 2. And this animal puzzle is inside room 11 or level 11. So I'll select number 11. And then the animal puzzle is over here on the right hand side. So I'll click over there and here's the animal puzzle. And I've already collected or found the horse and that little bird. So we just need to add those to the puzzle, those two items. Play this game, and now it's time to sort those animals into the correct order. And then the clue then for this puzzle is that there's little torn bits of paper which actually show you the placement of the animals for that little piece of paper. So you can see there that in this top left one we've got the elephant above the bull, and there's a little edge on that bit of paper, which means that the elephant must be over here on the left hand side, and then the bull is down below it. And I've just dragged those into place. And if we look at this little paper here on the bottom right, then we've got the elephant, and then diagonally down from the elephant is the duck. So I'll tap on the duck and drag it into position. And the next one we need to look at is this bit of paper here where we've got the horse above that dinosaur, and they're diagonally opposite each other, and so they can, the only last position that's still available for a diagonal is this position here. So we drag the horse up there, and the dinosaur goes into that position. And then the last one we need to do, we see that the dog is in front of that little bird, and that's the last position for the dog, or that can have two next to each other like that. So I'll drag the bird up and put it on top of the camel. The camel goes down in the right position, and that little USB dropped down into the puzzle to show that you've finished the puzzle. So click on that USB, it goes over here onto the menu section, and that's used further on in this level to help solve the room. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.